Shandong Lvdun Doors and Windows Company Limited, hereafter referred to as Ledow, operate 35,000 square meters state-of-the-art manufacturing space in Weifang City, China. With over 18 years of operation, Ledow has grown from a startup in 2005 to one of the top 30 window manufacturers in China. Our company takes pride in offering top-quality windows and doors, curtain wall, sunroom that exceed our clients' expectations. We use high-grade raw materials, modern technology, and cutting-edge manufacturing processes to customize windows and doors for them. Our company stands out in the industry due to our unwavering dedication to listening to our customers, translating their ideas into reality through technical expertise, and delivering custom-made windows and doors. We ensure that our products not only meet the highest quality standards, but also exceed industry norms in terms of durability, energy efficiency, security, and beauty. We have been serving international customers from over 20 countries since 2011. With a location in China, our company works with partners from all over the world to offer global door and window solutions. The brand names of these partners are FOM GROUP, AkzoNobel, Technoform, SIEGENIA, Sobinco, HOPPE, Roto, FSB, SGS, Intertek, NAMI NFRC, and so on. Our products have been certified by NAMI and NFRC according to US and Canadian standards. We work closely with architects, builders, designers, dealers, and homeowners to provide luxury aluminum windows and doors and transform both contemporary and traditional properties.